It's recording? Crap. Alright, this is King Vile Vlog, eating popcorn. And, I'm continuing Charlie So Cool Likes Liker Chain video. So, yeah. YouTubers, I like probably, number one have to be SXy Phil. He was the first guy I ever subscribed to on YouTube. I really like all his new stuff. And he's a badass. I like his stuff. I'm not wearing my glasses because you get really bad glare on them. Can't see my eyes. Yeah. Number two, probably The Abducted. He makes these, I think it's a he, makes all these, like dubstep deathcore hybrid songs, and they're just really cool. I love that guy's music. I was rocking out to that last night. And number three, because I'm only going to do three, probably TJ Omega. He does Plastic Addict videos where he just bashes these bad toys. It's great. Does random toys reviews. And he's got me into Kamen Rider, so that's awesome. I mean, anyone who can get me into Kamen Rider, and the guy who got me into Kamen Rider's got to be a good, YouTuber. So yeah, that's my liker chain, and yeah, go check them out, and check my videos out, please, please, please.